VCRs were way ahead of their time. Everyone knows that the picture comes from the tape, but how on earth can a tape, a wobbly strand of shiny spaghetti, paint the glorious swamp-filled chaos out of Shrek? It's because a video is just pictures, and pictures are just glowing dots, moving so fast your brain thinks it's painting a whole image. Forget dots, let's get technical. Imagine a paintball gun, a tiny cannon that shoots a beam of paint. It starts in the top left corner and fires across the screen, making it go brighter, dimmer as it goes. It zips back to the left, drops down a tiny bit, and fires again. It does this 525 times to draw one frame. Then it does it again, 30 times per second. Congratulations, you just gave the illusion of a photo moving. But that's black and white, you shout. Correct. So, here's a clever bit. The electron beam isn't just one cannon, it's 3 in 1. It shoots electrons at a screen coded in red, green, and blue dots. By controlling how hard it hits each color dot, you can mix up any color. Shrek swamp green, hit the green and red dots hard, blue softly. Lord Farquaad's cowardly yellow, hit red and green, skip blue. But we still have no sound, and Shrek isn't Shrek without All-Star. So, let's add a separate signal just for audio. It's a wiggly electrical wave that shakes the speaker back and forth. Now you have color, picture, and sound. But there's no way to save it. It's literally just light and vibrations. Only what if it wasn't? What if, instead of displaying it live, we could save the instructions for the paintball gun? That's what VHS does, but it doesn't save pixels. It's smarter than that. A camera looks at the image and splits into two parts: luminescence, the black and white brightness info, and chromance, the color tint info. It smushes them together into one wiggly electrical signal, then uses that signal to wiggle an electric magnet. That magnet imprints the magnetic pattern of the tape as it slides by it at an angle. That's called a helix scan. Audio gets its own track squeezed onto the edge of the tape, so your tape isn't storing pixels, it's storing a wiggly magnetic recipe for brightness and color. Run it back. Run the tape past the playback head. The magnetic wiggles create the exact same electrical signal. Send that to the TV, and the electron gun follows the recipe to repaint Shrek exactly. But it's the 90s, and rewinding is for suckers. Enter the DVD. Now, what sort of sorcery used to put the Matrix bullet dodging into the shiny glorified drink coaster? Lasers. The answer is lasers. Well, actually, the process is kind of just a futuristic version of a VHS tape. Step 1. Record some video. Say you're Keanu Reeves. As Keanu, you aren't performing in front of a chunky tube camera, you're in front of a digital sensor. It still sees red, green, and blue, and now it turns each pixel color into a number. That number becomes a stream of ones and zeros. Step 2. Burn it. A laser burns pits into a reflective disc. The edge of a pit scatters light. That reads as 1. A flat area reflects cleanly. That's 0. Well, not exactly. It's actually a clever encoding called EFM+, but the point is, pits and land meet in data. Played back, shine a weaker laser at it. The disc spins, the laser reads the reflections and decodes the ones and zeros. But there's a problem. A 2-hour movie is billions of pixels. Too many to fit. So, DVDs cheat. They use something called MPEG compression. It only stores full images once in a while. These are called keyframes. Between them, it stores what moved, like frame 1, Neo standing there. Frame 2, same but his head turned 2 pixels left. Frame 100, okay, big change, bullets everywhere, he's bending backwards. That's how you fit a movie on a coaster. No one buys coasters anymore, they get scratched. Welcome to streaming. Now, instead of a magnetic tape or a shiny disc, we use a fat, glorified router to get our video. The video is still shot digitally, but now it's compressed with a smarter codec called H.264. It's like the DVD chef got a grammar update. Instead of Neo move left, it writes Neo, subject moved, verb, left, direction, 2 pixels, measure. Much more efficient. These tiny instruction packets fly through the internet to your phone. Your phone's processor is the kitchen. It reads the shorthand, cooks up each frame, and sends it to the screen. And the screen? No paintball guns anymore. Now each pixel is 3 tiny LEDs, 1 red, 1 green, 1 blue that turn on or off digitally. To make Shrek green, the red and blue LEDs dim. The green ones shine bright. To make true black, turn all 3 off. So from magnetic wiggles to laser burn coasters to digital buttons lighting up tiny LEDs, that's how this stuff actually shows video. And all that information isn't actually free. I'm homeless and it's gonna cost you 1 subscribe.